What's up guys, RETROCENGO here. This is episode 8 of I Bought 10 Retro Computers. This one is a MIDI tower case. Looks absolutely amazing. It has got some residue from tape. Other than that, DVD, floppy drive, power on reset. Looks absolutely astonishing. At the back side, it has got a K and M for keyboard and mouse. It has got USB, it has got COM ports, a parallel port, it has got VGA card, it has got an old net card, and the power unit up top. And then here I can see it says Pentium. That's nice. So it's a Pentium 2 or Pentium 3 block that's inside. So let's go ahead and take a quick look here. Wow, nice. Look at that block. It's a Pentium 2 333 megahertz system. Oh, it's amazing. Good for Windows 98, good for MS-DOS. It has got 3 RAM blocks, SD RAM. It has got a AGP graphic card. You have 4 PCI slots and 2 ISA for MS-DOS sound card for amazing audio compatibility. We have a hard disk here. And this big cooler is awesome. The PSU is a open PSU model FSP300-P. So maybe this case is an open case. I'm not sure. I haven't seen it before, but I'm loving this huge passive cooler and this 120 mil that sucks in the hot air from this one and blows it out. I don't think it's a 3D card, but it is some sort of AGP. So let's plug everything in and see what's gonna happen. Sys 6326, 4 megabytes of graphic card, AGP, which is great for Windows 98, which is great for MS-DOS gaming. Perfect, man. I love it. And it has got AGP, PCI, and oh, the hard disk just clicks. Can you see the red LED down there? Delete. Oh, F10, sorry. F10 set up. Come on. Oh! The hard disk just clicks. System information. Intel Pentium 2, 333 megahertz, 60T bus, and look at this level 2 cache, 512 kilobyte, and it's from 1998. I mean, for its era, it was a great processor. The DVD drive won't open. Yes, it will. So the hard disk just clicked and it said error loading anything. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Let's try to boot from the DVD drive. Let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, the hard disk is gone. And the DVD works. It checked the floppy drive, nothing in there, and now it's checking the DVD. The hard disk, it just, when it wants to load from the hard disk, it just clicks. Yeah, let it load a bit. Well, it is reading, the hard disk is blinking, it's writing something to the hard drive. Maybe a format would fix the issue with the hard disk. Let's give it a go. The rest of the system, I mean RAM, CPU, motherboard, just rock solid, no issues. Let's see what's gonna happen with the hard drive. Could be cool to install Windows XP. Oh, that's the wrong CD, man. Yeah, it has found a 30 gigabyte, just like the BIOS said. Install and make a NTFS quick format. It's the right size. Partition, new, raw. It's quick formatting, and the red LED down there is blinking. I can hear the hard disk read. Setup was unable to format this partition. The disk might be damaged. Yeah. Well, that's the end of this video. With no hard disk, I can't install anything. But yeah, great looking case, beautiful motherboards with AGP, PCI and ISA. What an amazing PC for a Windows 98 build. I love the Intel Pentium 2. I have 2 other computers with Intel Pentium 2 in desktop format. Woo! Guys, thank you for watching. This was episode 8, and if you haven't watched the first 7 episodes, go in and do so. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. RETROCENGO is gonna take out the next computer.